Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to score a completed city in Carcassonne. A city is completed when its segments are fully encompassed by a city wall and there are no gaps within the city, and there is no limit to how many segments a city might contain. So, as you can observe, this big city here, it's almost finished because there is a wall that closes the city almost everywhere, and there's just one tile missing to close the city. And when I put a tile here, then the city is closed, and the player who scores is the player who has a knight in the completed city. And the score is counted 2 times the number of city segments. So if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 segments that form this city, that's gonna be 11 times 2, and that's 22. So the green knight scores 22 points. But there are also pennants, which are these shield symbols, and they give you 2 extra bonus points for each segment that has a pennant. So that's 5 segments with a pennant, so that's 10 bonus points, and the green knight scores 32 points. And if there is a city that has more than one knight, then when you close it here, the player who has more knights in that city scores the full score. But in an event of a tie, when there's the same amount of knights of different players, they both score the full score. So the red and the black knight both score 6 points for that city. And also don't forget about returning the knights to their owners after scoring a city. So since that big city was scored, the green follower goes back to the green player. And also, since that city was scored, red and black followers get returned to their owners. And also you can close a city that is unoccupied, like that. And then the player who puts the tile here scores the points. So if a city is unoccupied, then let's say the green player has put the tile here, then the green player scores 4 points for that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.